Retail sales for the month of March fell 1% as consumers held back on spending, but bank earnings are in. We have Dan Deming of KKM Financial standing by. Dan, JP Morgan Chase, Citigroup, and Wells all reported earnings. Safe to say the banks are making a bundle, so I guess we can all sleep at night.
Well, it's a good first step when you look at the earnings announcements, Angie, and it did bring a little stability into the banking sector as we did see some positive price action on the heels of those earnings. We'll see how it plays out this week with other earnings taking hold. But overall, you'd have to say that alleviated some of the uncertainty in the banking sector, at least from a short-term perspective.
What are you watching this week, Dan, as we get closer to the Fed meeting on rates coming up the first week of May?
This week, several things, Angie. Momentum in the market, for one. We're seeing the markets peaking up towards those early February highs, and it'll be interesting to see if we can take out those highs. Couple that with the earnings announcements that will roll out throughout the week. Fed speak. This is the last week for Fed speak headed into that May 3rd meeting. So I imagine that will influence the market as well.
Thank you, Dan. Have a great week.
All right. Thanks, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.